We all appreciate the return of summer weather. But when it gets too hot, there are risks to human health and well-being, as well as to the built environment and ecosystems. With climate change, episodes of extreme heat are becoming more frequent and more intense, affecting sectors like energy, agriculture, and water management. While we can't prevent heat waves from happening, there are ways to mitigate the consequences, from a province-wide scale to the individual. Quebec uses technological tools to help municipalities prepare for extreme heat. These include alert systems and health indicators to detect heat spikes. For example, the Supreme system provided by the Institut National de Santé Publique du Québec sends out weather forecast warnings in real time to health authorities and emergency responders. There are also interactive maps to visualize areas prone to heat islands or that tend to be cooler. Municipalities can develop action plans to implement measures during heat waves, such as providing access to public air-conditioned shelters and extending the opening hours of municipal swimming pools. They can focus on the most at-risk neighborhoods and populations with awareness campaigns to encourage safer individual behaviors, like staying hydrated, reducing physical exertion, keeping cool, and checking in on neighbors. Municipalities can also adapt their urban planning strategies. Darker surfaces and building materials, like concrete and asphalt, cause heat to build up in urban environments. This can be reduced by minimizing their surface cover and opting for integrated, sustainable development projects. To prevent these land use developments from displacing low-income populations, plans must include social housing and community engagement. They should involve the various groups that may be more vulnerable to heat, such as people with pre-existing health problems and those experiencing homelessness. Strategies are also available for residences. Adding greenery and shade around homes helps cool them down. We can also improve the thermal insulation of entrances and windows, build reflective roofs, and reduce our use of electrical appliances that generate heat. These solutions can be combined in various ways to maximize their benefits to society. But they require good planning and coordination between all parties involved. They must also consider the way in which extreme heat affects certain population groups differently. Social inequalities must be taken into account when developing solutions to reduce vulnerabilities and avoid maladaptation. Finding solutions together to take on extreme heat helps us limit today's consequences and anticipate those of tomorrow. Want to learn more? Visit ouranos.ca.